to present about the cardiovascular. The cardiovascular systems can be thought of as the transport systems of the body. This system has three main components, which is the heart, the blood vessels, and the blood itself. The heart is the system's pump, and the blood vessels are like the delivery routes. Blood can be thought of as a fluid which contains oxygen and nutrients the body needs and carries the waste which needs to be removed.
The heart of a mammal is also divided into 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The oxygenated blood is separated from the deoxygenated blood. It improves the efficiency of double circulation and is probably required for the warm-blooded lifestyle of mammals and birds. The 3-chambered heart of an amphibian has 2 atria and 1 ventricle. There is some mixing of the blood in the heart's ventricle, which reduces the efficiency of oxygenation. The advantage to this arrangement is that high pressure in the vessels pushes blood to the lungs and body. The mixing is mitigated by a ridge within the ventricle that diverts oxygen-rich blood through the systemic circulatory system. Then, deoxygenated blood to the pulmocutaneous circuit where gas exchange occurs in the lungs and through the skin. In the fish cardiovascular system, a single circuit for blood flow and a 2-chambered heart that has only a single atrium and a single ventricle. The atrium collects blood that has returned from the body. The ventricle pumps the blood to the gills where gas exchange occurs and the blood is reoxygenated. This is called gill circulation. The blood then continues through the rest of the body before arriving back at the atrium. This is called systemic circulation. Most reptiles also have a 3-chambered heart, similar to the amphibian heart that directs blood to the pulmonary and systemic circuits. The ventricle is divided more effectively by a partial septum, which results in less mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood.
The cardiovascular system acts as an internal road network linking all parts of the body via systems of arteries, veins, arterioles, venules, and capillaries. These networks allow blood to deliver and expel nutrients, gases, waste products throughout the body. Nutrients such as glucose are delivered from digestive tract to muscles and organs that require them for energy, while hormones from endocrine glands are transported by blood to target organs. The cardiovascular system is also responsible for providing protection from infection and blood loss, as blood contains 3 types of cells, namely the red blood cells, the white blood cells, and platelets. The job of the white blood cells is to detect foreign bodies and kill them either by phagocytosis or by releasing chemicals. Platelets, on the other hand, are responsible for the clotting of blood. They connect to fibrinogen, producing a clot that blocks the hole in the broken blood vessel, which an external wound would appear as a scab.
One of the functions of cardiovascular system is oxygen and carbon dioxide transport. Each cardiovascular system consists of components that help gaseous exchange happen more efficiently. Next is hormone delivery. Chemical messenger inside the cardiovascular system produced by endocrine gland that will affect distant organ inside the animal body. For example, the growth hormone, steroid hormone, and insulin hormone. The body temperature also can be regulated by the cardiovascular system. This mostly happens in warm-blooded animals, and cardiovascular system function as the tight regulator for the relatively narrow temperature range for warm-blooded animals. It provides an optimal environment for homeostasis to happen continuously. Whenever temperature rises, the blood vessel will dilate to help the loss of heat, and the temperature drop, the blood vessel will constrict to preserve heat.
Cardiac cycle is the sequence of events that happens in the heart from the start of one heartbeat to the start of the subsequent heartbeat. During a cardiac cycle, the atria and the ventricles work separately. For this cycle, you need to know 2 terms, which is systole and diastole. Systole means contracts and diastole means relax. Cardiac cycle proceeds in 3 phases. The first phase is atrial systole, where the atrium will contract, followed by the second phase, which is ventricular systole. The ventricle will contract, and lastly, followed by the third phase, general diastole. That means the heart will relax. Both atria and ventricle are relaxed.
In summary, the cardiovascular system consists of the heart, which is an anatomical pump, with intricate conduits such as arteries, veins, and capillaries that traverse the whole human body carrying blood. The blood contains oxygen, nutrient, waste, immune, and other functional cells that help provide homeostasis and basic functions of human cells and organs.